Let's arrange any flight, we'll go from here. It's our country, we cannot go from here.
Only air hostess.
No, just the captain has to answer. Don't know you're talking to air hostess.
There is no more everything.
I think yeah, that's what that's you can just keep going to map.
हमको वापस क्यों अबू धाबी भेजेंगे? हम दिल्ली के लिए आए हैं। तो कोई आ ही नहीं रहा ना बात करने, कोई नहीं आ रहा है। लड़की को भेज दिया इधर। मेरा हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट है, मेरे को वाइफ को दिखाना है।
आ गए कैप्टन आ गए।
हम इधर ही उतरेंगे, हम इधर से जाएंगे अपने, वापस नहीं जाने।
एक लगेज है उसको जाने दो अबू धाबी देवी
It does make sense. We don't want to. Then who can answer? You are the manager. Then answer.
The passengers is not allowing to take this flight to Abu Dhabi back. Just inform them. How can you send that then that flight can be...
How the hell decision is being made from Abu Dhabi?
No, I understand your problem. See the anxiety within us. Do you understand our anxiety?
Please give us not well.
Why?
How can this? What I'm asking. This flight can't land in Abu Dhabi. This flight can't land in Dubai. Delhi, and another flight can land in Abu Dhabi.
Nobody responsible person coming in front, just sending these ladies and talking. Yes, sorry, you know. She went inside. She went inside.
He can come here. He can come out and he can drive out. He can.
Yes, there is weather problem in Delhi. That's why there is no
There is no weather problem. We have relatives in Delhi. There is no weather problem. So many flights are landing. Only this flight cannot land.
You will send another flight. That flight can land in. There is no thunderstorm in Delhi. All our
They don't have weather problem.
now weather problem.
Okay, can you talk?
हजारों जो एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम बता नहीं रहे क्या हो?
Dealing with all these. Okay, tell him to get us from here to Delhi. That's what we want.
Give us the luggage, we'll go from here.
Why don't you go inside and tell them
know the way out.
calm down, madam? No, I'm kind. We are calm down. Yes, I am. I've been traveling for 40 hours. I need you to calm down. From USA. There are 50 people here screaming and shouting. That's what is supposed to happen.
Every person have their concern and their issues.
We have
Who's going
our
to solve it?
problems. Nobody has yes, you have been lying. That's what's going on. No. I think you should send this to media. Weather situation in Delhi. That's why we don't land. No, there's no weather situation. We have families standing there waiting for Delhi. That was so. That is resolved. It cannot be. It cannot be. Everybody is listening to this. His brother traveled to Abu Dhabi from Abu Dhabi from Dubai to Delhi, and it has landed. There are thousands of flights that landed after that. We just figure that. There is some other problem. Okay, madam, madam, we were supposed to land. There was weather. Understood. Understood. Yes, understood. You need to go get something. Understood. You are not understanding. We have already.
Madam, our parents are even waiting still in Delhi. We don't know. We don't know what's on the plane. What is this?
It is a safety. It is a
lying.
What safety?
all right. Take us to Jaipur. Take us somewhere near Delhi. So we landed here. We got clearance to land, madam. We got clearance to
land
Madam,
in,
you don't have. You feel we are a cattle. You feel we are a cattle.
Babies here. You expect them to go back to Abu Dhabi?
They think they take a consignment of cattle. We're not human beings at all. Because no,
because you
let
guys
me
are
complete.
making
Let me complete. That is why your management has taken a decision like
Then why
that.
is
And that's why your people are hiding inside.
They are hiding inside. They are hiding
Let them
inside.
come inside.
Yeah, get them out. Get them out. No, I can't come down.
No, how to come down?
My brain
How
is not
to
going
come
down.
down?
You're lucky we are not
you will
punching
sit
you
back
right now, you know. Yes, exactly. Exactly.
And you want us to stay another 12 hours or 24 hours in Abu Dhabi airport without coming out?
You don't know when you are going to be sent back.
I have medications to take. I don't have medicines.
You will take the responsibility of these people, you tell us.
I want to go back to Delhi. Yeah, that's what I want you to go back to Delhi. Yeah, just go. Don't go back to that.
You deport all the passengers here.
Okay, listen. Can I ask one question?
Okay, so you give us money back so we can get another flight to New Delhi? Let's get our money back. Get us tickets to New
Madam, one
Delhi.
second. Now whether it's completely all right, everything is okay over there in Delhi. I have been talking to people over there. People have been waiting for all of us over there.
why we're going back to Abu Dhabi. What is the reason? They have arranged another flight for you from Abu Dhabi.
You people are not telling when
From Abu Dhabi to India. But that is the decision of the...
you people are not telling. You are something. You are hiding something.
Who are they to decide? No, we need to talk. We are not getting.
Yeah, this aircraft don't have some this thing or something.
We need. No, sorry. You get us the manager, whosoever is deciding. We need to talk to him.
Yeah.
If you cannot
There's no
give us
point
answer,
talking
we
to
need to talk to him.
Or otherwise you
Forget it.
deport
No, we are not going. We'll stand out. We'll stand out. We won't let you close the door. Make them what? No, we are not going to let you close the door. Finish.
No, I don't know why are you trying to be a shield.
We need the answer. We need the answer. We need the reason. We need the reason. Otherwise, you are hiding something which no.
Yes, exactly. You are hiding. First, from when you reach Delhi, yes.
We need to know.
I don't know.
Everybody, please. Everybody needs to just keep quiet right now. Okay. I'm dealing with 70 people standing here screaming at me.
Only 70?
No, because that is your problem. You are trying to sacrifice. You are trying to
Don't
sacrifice.
scream at me. Don't scream at me. Don't scream at me.
You're the one who's screaming.
I'm not.
Madam, madam,
You don't understand our problem.
It's your fault. It's you guys' fault. It's you guys. It was the weather. No, it's not the weather.
You need to not scream.
It's my right to scream. It's my fault. I understand.
We are not going back to Abu Dhabi.
It is not the ladies.
But we are not going back to Abu Dhabi.
We will not go back to Abu Dhabi and this aircraft also will not go.
We are not going to Abu Dhabi.
One second. Excuse me, please, 1 second, madam.
Why is she standing here?
Offload us away. We are not going back. Please check, offload all of us over here. We are going to arrange our own flight. Forget about it. We don't want to go to Abu Dhabi. We do want to. It doesn't make any sense.
It has to be argumentative evidence. The whole video is there. I will edit it. Don't worry.
You have to stop it and delete it.
I will edit it. Don't worry.
It's a free press. Everybody should know.
Such an argument, and you want to delete the video?
Everybody should know what's going on.
Don't worry, we'll edit it. Don't worry. We'll edit it. Don't worry.
You are the one who is.
Madam, because you are also going
I can do a convincing answer.
Because you don't let me talk, everyone is just shouting. Okay.
क्यों हिंदुस्तानी क्यों अकेले झेले?
Get the manager.
He is the manager for the airport.
No, we don't need airport
Why?
manager.
No, he is the
Captain,
manager. We don't need
captain.
him. We
Making
want the
decision is
captain.
captain, not airport manager. Okay. Okay.
Listen, nobody will be able to go. Understand this thing. There is an aircraft which is ready in Abu Dhabi to take you back to Delhi. This aircraft
I don't want to go back again.
Tell me first offload here. Indian ऐसे रहोगे यार. हम लोग बैंड को लेना सीख दो कभी. कब तक आप इंडिया को इधर मर जाएंगे. हम अंग्रेज आया भाग जाए एकदम से.
सर इस तरह से
हमारा डॉक्टर के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट
सर अगर ऐसे करेंगे तो ये फ्लाइट कहीं भी नहीं जा पाएगी. Able to get down also.
हमारी कंट्री हम इधर रहेंगे.
आप कैप्टन को बाहर नहीं लेकर आओगे, हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे. कैप्टन को बाहर लो. अंग्रेज है वो.
Captain has already made an announcement.
Security reason here.
हम लोग
How we will go? I mean,
Let us understand. Let us understand what is the reason that we are going back to Abu Dhabi. We need to
अबू धाबी नहीं जाना है, उसके आगे क्या बोलना
there
चाहिए?
is something which is wrong, which you all are not telling us. It doesn't make any sense going back to Abu Dhabi and coming to Delhi. Why don't you offload us over here, bring the aircraft, and then we'll go. Or we'll arrange
What's the problem? You tell me.
आपके solution में
It's an evidence.
it's a show to the media.
It's not only you are covered, the entire audience is covered. Not only you.
back to Abu Dhabi for 22 hours after.
No, we have a right to do that. Why can't we go? We are standing in India now. We have a right. We have a right for everything.
हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है?
We are not in foreign country.
अभी इंडियन है, अभी हमारे इधर के लोग हैं. आप हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने आए, हमें तकलीफ देने आए.